So welcome to the new video. So in this video we will discuss about the steps, the basic steps that you need to follow. So we will go from the very basic, that is your qualification. So you all might know, if you are going to apply in a MNC or in any OEM, for that your BTech is necessary. BTech or BE in mechanical engineering, or those who are having a diploma holder in mechanical engineering, that can also provide for the design. Okay, so this two diploma and one is engineering BTech or BE, that are important for the job interview. And then second, your work experience. So many of you having some doubts about the working experience, because maximum of you having no experience, or some having 1 year of experience, 2 year of experience. So for those who doesn't have any experience, like they are fresher, no, zero experience. So those who having zero experience, who can't apply for the any job of this design field. Before that you have to take some experience in some private companies, or some you have to go for some institute, you have to learn there. I have already discussed in the other video, one course is already there for that students. So student who are completed their course, and they can apply 1 or 2 year of experience. So this is the minimum experience required, between 1 or 2 year of experience. Okay, so then next is your resume. Okay, some of having trouble for resume, their resume is not going to be selected. Okay, so we will discuss what should be your resume, what you have to write, so that some company will pick your resume and you will get some calls. And then our CAT test, what should be the CAT test and technical interview. So first we will discuss about the resume. I have already a resume, so let me open. Yeah, so I have a resume. So if you are going through this format, you will get many calls. Okay, because I have already given this format to my students, and they are following and they are getting many calls. So what you have to mention at there, you can mention your name, then your contact number, your email address. Okay, then you can go for the basics. Okay, their synopsis. So in a synopsis you can write your professional experience. Okay, 1 or 2 year of experience you can put there, and who are experienced between 2 or 4, they can put the same experience. With you have to mention your domain, plastic design, trim, or any other domain you are working. Okay, then in one line you can mention your graduation. Okay, so then if you are from Unigraphics, you can put there well was with CATIA, Unigraphics, Creo, SolidWorks. Okay, then you should have this knowledge. This is very must if you are applying for a plastic job. Okay, interior, exterior, any plastic. Okay, then basic knowledge of GD&T. So don't put, if you are having 2 year of experience, don't put a good knowledge or expert or something kind of. Okay, just put a basic knowledge or good knowledge, basic knowledge of GD&T. Okay, for basic GD&T you should know the features. Okay, what are the basic features for the GD&T, and then knowledge of your domain. Okay, put your here domain name, good knowledge of your plastic, good knowledge of metal structure, whatever you are applying for. So then DMU kind of DMU study, you can put this. Okay, so what I have, whatever you are having in experience. So next you can put your skills. Okay, so this is very important, skills. So in skills you can put part modeling, GST, if you are KTX, or if you are in Unigraphics, you can put according to Unigraphics, because your resume will be picked by some names, like they will put plastic trims. Okay, sheet metals, automotive seats, soft trims, and like. Okay, there are some notes, so that will so your resume will be reflect on Naukri. So then only you will get the jobs. You have to mention your domains properly. Then you can put your working experience. If you don't have experience, if you are working and or you are a learner, so you can put experience of 1 year or 2 year from that company, and you should know all this. Okay, except this. Okay, so you should know whether you are working in any software. Okay, for the basics. These are the same for the next. Okay, this is also one other company. This is another company. Okay, you can pick some lines from there and you can mention your resume. Then if you want you can put your certification, but it doesn't required. Okay, then you can put some major project. Some of company they are just teaching only these things. Okay, so you can put there and you can elaborate there down like this. And then you can put some parts like door panel, map pocket. Okay, OBIB, seat covers, HA handles. Okay, and then at last you have to put your academics. Okay, in one line you can put your BTech. Okay, be your BTech, intermediate, then high school, and then your personal information. This will really help you to get some more calls from the interviewer. Then coming on the PPT. Okay, yeah, so once your resume is picked, then you would have call for CAT test. So in CAT test there are three types of CAT test can be happen. One is drawing to 3D. One drawing will be given to you, and that you have to reflect into 3D. And then remastering, that's we call reverse engineering, then A to B with some features. Okay, and in same CAT test only they will ask many questions. Okay, so they will pick you for technical interview. And then in technical interview, after if you clear the CAT test, there will be technical interview. So in technical interview you have to just focus. Okay, they will ask question from your resume only, whatever you have mentioned in your project, the parts. Okay, and then general question they will ask from the companies, like where you worked earlier, previously. Okay, so you have to answer very confident. Okay, in technical interview they want ask they will ask some question. So if you are answered like whatever is written from the books. Okay, so that knowledge is different, that is written in books. Okay, if we are applying whatever written in theory, okay, that doesn't apply on the engineering properly on plastic or design. Okay, if you really work they will pick you properly if you have worked really on these parts. Okay, so these all things that you need to focus before going to an interview, and you should know. And the tricks. Okay, you have to be prepared for these things. So next we will discuss about the CAT tests. Okay, what should be the trick, and how it will help, and some question we will also discuss.